Flowmaster Cross and Bubble from AlgoBox, your essential tools for decoding market order flow. These indicators detect high-volume algorithmic activity, helping you uncover market dynamics and actionable trading opportunities. The Flowmaster Cross not only identifies significant market activity, but also creates zones of potential support or resistance. With draw horizontals enabled, these critical levels are marked automatically. Enable Show Supply Color to see which side, supply or demand, is dominating, providing deeper insights into market behavior. The Flowmaster Bubble works similarly, highlighting spikes in trading activity. Together, these tools provide a comprehensive view of market movements. Take your strategies further by combining Flowmaster crosses with AlgoBox tools like harmonic patterns and Fibeli dots. These combinations create powerful strategies, including PRZ crosses, headshots, and moonshots. Fully customize the Flowmaster Cross and Bubble to fit your trading style. Set audio alerts with custom sounds for real-time updates. Adjust calculation intervals to fine-tune performance. Filter signals by strength to focus on the most impactful trades. Ready to take control of the markets with Flowmaster Cross and Bubble? Start trading smarter today. We'll see you in the next video.